Hello everybody, welcome to my new Skillshare class where I will teach you everything you need to know about web sharpening and also preparing your images for Instagram. In my opinion, you can't avoid Instagram, especially as a photographer these days. There are so many brands on there, and when you want to get connected with other people or with one of those brands, it's important to have a nice and good looking social media feed. And in this course, you will learn how to make your images shine with some perfect sharpening methods. There are some photos you simply don't want to crop. Let's say you have a vertical nice landscape photo and you don't want to crop it. I will show you a way to overcome it. It's really simple, but I think it's important to talk about it at least once. And I will show you a automatic process, so you only have to press a button and your images is ready to post. My name is Daniel Fleischhacker. I'm a professional photographer for over 6 years now, and yeah, I'm using social media on a daily basis. I started out of Instagram like 2 years ago, and it's been fairly successful for me. But it's not easy, especially at the beginning, and there's no shortcut or anything. You need good content, and I will show you how to make it look nice. So I wish you a lot of fun, guys. I hope you will enjoy this class, and I'm always there. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the community section here on Skillshare, and don't hesitate to show me your results. I want to see your favorite images you sharpened and prepared with my techniques, and post them here in the project sections on Skillshare. I'm always there to give you a thumbs up or a critique. So like I said, guys, have fun now and see you later. Bye.